In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Dota 2 on Windows Steam. So let's get started. First thing, just open Steam and to the top we'll be having library. Click that, and in library here to the left we'll be having the games that we have installed through Steam. So here we are having Dota 2. Right click, go to manage, and we are having the uninstall option. Click that, and it's saying uninstall from the device. I will just click on uninstall, and it's uninstalling now, and that's it. The game has been uninstalled. And here I'm in my control panel. Previously I searched for Dota and I was having Dota 2, and now if I search for Dota, as you can see, I'm not having that over here, and from the desktop also the shortcut will be removed. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me.